everyone. Today I will explain you about the virtual lab. So basically, what is virtual lab? Virtual lab is the fully interactive simulations in which students perform experiments, collect data, and answer questions to assess their understanding. So virtual lab combine animations, illustrations, and videos to convey key information and engage students in the process of science. So I will explain you about the differences between virtual lab and the hand-on experiment. So the definition of the hand-on experiment is the chemicals and other liquid or gases orientation get handled with other liquid solution or gases phases. While on the other hand, the virtual lab means carried out on a computer-generated model for the process of simulation in the physical world. So how does hand-on experimentation working? So they deal with materials that exist in real and help with the analysis done on different chemicals and products for the industry. While the virtual lab is most of the analysis done has computational nature and only values and results based on simulation come into consideration. That's all. Thank you.
So here I'm going to show you how to download and use Virtual Lab. It's so easy and simple. First, if you are using Android, you can go to Play Store and just type Lab in app. So for example, I'm going to do a simple pendulum experiment. So I choose Lab in app Physic demo and you download it, and after you download, you can open. Okay, for example, I want to do simple pendulum. So you can see, if you want the detail, you can just click demo video. I'm going to show you how to do this experiment, this virtual lab experiment. So just click so basically this is the right view of the pendulum, and this is the left view, and this is the view from top. So the top of the right, there's setting, so you can set the maximum swim. So here I set it for 5. So you can set it whatever is required in your experiment. So for the length of thread, you also can set on whatever you want, following your experiment, of course. So here I'm do the example. I will set it on 100 centimeter. So the radius of pop is 5 cm. So close the setting. Now for the angle, you can adjust it by yourself, according to your experiment. So here I'm going to show you at 30 degree. Yeah. So it's done. This is the result. 5 swings for 10.51 seconds. So the time you can see at the bottom, the left on your bottom. So it's 10.51 seconds for 5 swings. It's very simple and easy. You get your result without go to lab and wear your lab coat. So easy. And you can click the setting to know the experiment detail, like the aim. Below here they have procedure, so you already have that. You also can have your observation, conclusion, and viva. Viva is basically the discussion, so you can answer the question. So for observation is basically your result, your calculation, your table of result here, and the conclusion is basically the graph, and it's already done for you. So it's very easy, very fast, seriously, this app was amazing. So basically there's a lot of benefit of using this virtual lab. It's very easy. Virtual laboratory can provide a cost-efficient way for university to organize high-quality laboratory work for large number of students, such as at Pusat Asasi Sains Pertanian (UPM), without having them to share same equipment. Like everyone can do the experiment at the same time, never to take turn. So virtual laboratory were also damage resistant, thus opening the possibility to learn from the mistake. By combination with learning management system, assessing student performance in laboratory works become much easier. It's better. It's also lower cost because sometimes the equipment in physics experiment or other experiments, chemistry or biology is quite expensive, but using this virtual lab, it can lower cost because you just need the smartphone and connect to Wi-Fi to download the apps. After that, it's very simple. So that's all on how to use it and a little bit of benefit of it.